Hello there, Lee here from Trading College with your free market update for the 17th of March. It is testing times for all of us, guys, so please make sure you stay safe. Wishing you all the best here from Trading College. Look after yourself. It's times like this when we all come together and do our bit, okay? So make sure you look after yourself. Let's dive into these markets here. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, 29,500. Did we think that was going to be the top? Yes, we thought it was going to be the top when we got that signal. But did we think it was going to be as catastrophic as this decline? Absolutely no way. And so this, from a trading point only, is absolutely fantastic to trade. It is violent. The markets are having some serious limit up days, limit down days, which means they're closing for trading. They're pulling the plug at the exchange. And we're seeing some huge volatility. I think that we're probably closer now to this short-term bounce. I think we could get a bounce here today, Tuesday, and then it is not the start of a new uptrend. Okay, so ProTrend system's been short all the way down. I think we're close to a bit of a rally. Okay, and then we go down for that big wave 3 and a bit of a catastrophic move even further down in the stock market. And any rallies will be shorted into. And it's difficult if you're new to trading. This is the Dow. It's just trading at 20,700. It's a big market to trade, guys. Some of the students, just take a look at some of the students here. Just showing you what they're doing. Atif here, who's on our mentorship program. New student. When he joined us a few months ago, he didn't know what he was doing. He'd lost money before. And this guy is, this £518 again today, the 17th of the 3rd. Here is another one, 17th Brent crude oil. He's shorted, and the Dow, £3 a point. He's up to £795. And you can see here Chris, who's actually one of our mentorship students as well in Dubai. Today on the 17th, 3rd, £980 profit with £2 a point. Remember we did that spread betting webinar we did last week. This is the pounds per point that we were talking about, and £980 20, 270 20, 153 60, and you can go. He's basically short all these markets, and he's averaging about £600 profit this month. It's a great time to be a trader. Okay, so just some of the students that have been trained how to trade the markets doing very, very well indeed. All right, I want to take you a look at some trades that I think are setting up. And by the way, we're going to be doing a webinar this evening on what's working in this market at the moment, and just get together, as a trading community tonight on the webinar, because we're all trying to achieve the same thing, and that is make a return on our account and stay healthy. So we're all coming together tonight. The webinar spaces are limited, guys, because of the software we're using. We're not far away from capacity. So I want to get into tonight where the markets are going, what strategies we're using at the moment, just show you how to make money in these volatile times. Because if you're going to be isolated at home, then there's opportunities for you to at least make some money trading from your phone or your iPad. So here's the dollar index, and we'll talk about this tonight, but the dollar here, we had a ProTrend system buy on this green day, and we've just gone straight up. Now I think the dollar could break above the highs here. I think 950 could be a break. If we break this high here, 99,707, we could see the dollar pushing higher. So that means that the euro is going to go and start to see some sell signals, which we're already doing. So I've started to accumulate some positions here on the short side of the euro dollar. Okay, so I've just gone short £20 a point. I was actually long yesterday on a day trade. Now I've switched and took small profits on that yesterday. Now I've switched because I think if the dollar breaks out, which it looks like it could do, we could see some bigger downside. PTS is already red here. So we'll look at that tonight, because I think that could go even further. We could get a big push down here on the euro dollar, guys. Okay, so nice move on the euro, and we'll talk about entries and stuff on that this evening. And I think we've been short. I've just taken some profit on the gold trade, by the way. Gold here, we had some nice sell signals on gold at 1581, and that's pushing lower as well. Hit first profit target, just bank some profits. Now, I actually did a put option on this as well as some spread bets. Let me show you what a put option is. So I shorted gold futures at 116, which is just around this area here. That was the strike price, and I put a put on this. My risk on the trade, I got in the trade. My stop loss was 47.8 points. Now it's trading at 163. So the put here is the short. All right. So I shorted. Didn't need a stop in place because it's what options are all about. And this has made me at the moment just over £1,000 in a few days. So plenty of opportunities to trade with. And you know, I don't think it's the end. I think it's possibly nearly the end of the beginning here of these markets, of this initial phase, and then we possibly will continue and resume the big major trend. So watching the dollar, that's closely watching that, and you know, even crude oil. If I look at oil here, and Brent oil, and crude oils, you know, big gap down. We've got this gap here to fill at some point. That's going to be a 1,000-point move back up to the upside, and that's going to be opportunities for everybody. All right, guys. So you know, see me tonight on the webinar. We'll go into more detail and we'll chat. Let's get together and we'll talk trading of how you can take advantage of these trades with the strategies we're using. Bye bye now. See you tonight. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, guys. Hit the subscribe button below this video and you will get notifications on the next trading update. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Hit that subscribe button and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.